I'm back in another video. Sorry for stopping at 30 minutes. But now we're gonna do EPP. You don't know what EPP is in Tagalog? Oh, I'm showing you. Wait, let me my intermediate tab here. Erasing my stuff out here 30 minutes ago. EPP. It's edukasyon, pantahanan, at pangkabuhayan. So we're gonna learn about the computer. Okay? If you really need to read all of this, I'm not reading all of it. We're gonna do it the unit 1. We're in Tagalog mode, so you better understand it. Yeah, I don't really like to be evil. Since I'm grade 4, I have way too much bullies. They make me cry. They call me like SHUPTUP, and they call me other names. I'm doing. I don't really care. I'm very sensitive. Don't blame me. I'm just like that. So here we go. Malaki ang naitutulong ng ICT sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Nakatutulong ang paggamit ng computer upang mapadali ang maraming gawain hindi lamang sa bahay o sa paaralan, kundi pati na rin sa pagnenegosyo. Ngunit ang paggamit ng computer ay nangangailangan din ng pag-iingat. Ang taong gumagamit ng computer ay dapat maging responsable sa paggamit nito at matutulong magpalamas ng respeto sa sarili at sa ibang gumagamit ng ito. Next page. I'm not gonna do all of it. Is my page 21? Wait, okay. Now we're gonna start at the 6th page. If you don't really understand, grade 4. All grade 3. Watch this. Watch the master of math do my job. Sa panahon ngayon, halos lahat sa atin ay gumagamit ng computer. Malaking tulong na ambag ng computer sa araw-araw nating pamumuhay. Mahalagang gumamit ng computer upang mapabilis at mapadali ang isang gawain na kailangan sa paaralan o sa trabaho ng mga nakatatanda. Maaari kang maglagay ng
yung chocolate.
Wala sa akin, Lola. Datos o dokumento na hindi basta-basta makikita o mabubuksan ng sinuman. Makatitipid sa oras at mas magiging produktibo sa paggamit ng computer, lalos na kung may iba kang iba pa pang gawain na dapat gawin sa bahay o sa paaralan. At may iba't ibang uri sukat ang computer tulad ng personal na computer at laptop. Ang mga ito ay tinatawag na computing devices. Ang personal na computer at laptop ay may pagkakaparehas sa bahagi ng accessories. Yeah, we're gonna stop it here. Not now. Actually, you get my computer. Where? Computer notebook. It's the bright yellow thing. Bright yellow yarn. Yeah. Can you check all of the notebooks? And if there's one glossy one, grab it and give it to me, okay? I don't want to have anger issues again. Okay, I got my computer notebook. You don't know how to use a computer, grade 3. Okay, got a 6 here. It's not SEX, like my birth, like my gender, but I'm gonna read you ways to take care of your computer. Capabilities of computer and limitations of computer. First is ways to take care of your computer. Number 1, clean your computer using a clean rag with an ordinary alcohol. Number 2, cover your computer with a clean cloth to protect from dust and dirt. Number 3, place the computer where it's not exposed to sunlight or too much heat. Number 4, do not place heavy objects on the computer. Number 5, avoid eating or drinking near the computer to avoid food particles entering the computer. And second, we're going to go to the capabilities of the computer. Number 1, speed. The computer can process data faster than any other device designed to perform a similar task. Number 2, repetitiveness. Oh, I'm 5%. I'm gonna do it at 3, okay? At number 3, so I'm gonna end it and charge my tablet, the one that you're watching on now. Oh my god! Okay, number 2, repetitiveness. A computer is never get tired performing the same operations even a million times. Number 3, accuracy. No other system can produce as much accuracy as the computer system. I'm at number 3. So the last numbers are gonna be in my next video. Bye! Love you!